Okay, so I guess we're just gonna see what happens. It's not really that suspenseful. Hopefully I don't get too carried away. And I'm going to take a crap load of Lucius, I believe, which is this beautiful cream color. It's not quite white. And I'm just going to set this No Filter Concealer by Colourpop. Wipe out my lids with that color, the same color, just pack it on. This is an e.l.f. brush, concealer brush apparently. It was a really good brush for doing that. I'm going to just take a little bit of Lazarus, just kidding. I don't know why I said that. On this. Hello, Woodaboot. Cute-a-boot. And just work it like in an kind of a precise V shape in my crease. Okay, so first I want to go over that with Raw by Tooth and Nail Cosmetics, which is this transition type shade. It's like peachy-ish. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this so carefully so that I don't mess this up. And I'm gonna do this eye first because I know I'll do this eye just fine, but it's this eye that I always screw up. Okay. This does set fairly quickly, so I'm going to do one eye at a time.
Oh.
I almost forgot to start filming. I'm using Kat Von D's Whiteout Concealer to underline the orange. This right here because it needed something to, like, I don't know how to highlight. It needed a highlight. This is what it needed. I am going to take the liner, the same liner I was using. I've been using this Clinique liner, and I'm going to finally do my upper lash line very thin. And now I'm going to attempt to do kind of like an inner wingy thingy. I almost got ahead of myself. At least I marked that, but I forgot, like, one of the most important parts. Duh. I'm smoking out this lower lash line with some of this orange. I'm crazy. How could I forget? Now inner wing time, and I'm going to take it all the way till it meets up with that other side so it's not all just wonky, and that's why I'm going to be extra careful. Don't worry, it's makeup. It's fixable. Back to wide out, so I'm taking Wide Out by Kat Von D, and I'm putting that in the corners of my eye. Okay, I had to put on my clothes. I'm just gonna do like the final touches. Don't know why, but my eyebrow feels wet. I'm just gonna use this Luxie brush, and I'm taking Raw, which is the color we started out with, of course. And I'm running this underneath where we put the orange. And I'm gonna do it all around my eye. Bringing it down the nose a little bit. Okay, my camera decided to screw up here at the very end, but I literally only put on mascara, which was the Double Decker Lashes by Butter London, and did my lips, which is this Concrete Jungle by, you know, Maybelline, which is kind of patchy, so I might change it. I don't know, but it's alright for a drugstore, and I got it for like $4 on sale, so. And thinking now, I think I want to add some glitter. Because I have this glitter that will go with it. By e.l.f. It's this copper glitter, and it's really pretty. I'm going to put it in my lower lash line. Okay, I think I figured it out. The final touch. Okay, so I'm just gonna take, I got this Tooth and Nail Cosmetics Halloween highlighter, and it's the Freddy's Girl, and I'm just gonna take like the red part, if you can see in my camera, and I'm going to be careful because it's kind of pigmented. And I'm going to just put it in there. Don't really know if you can see it. but I know it's there. That's all that matters. But anyway, I had a whole lot of fun creating this look. It was kind of stressful because it's kind of intricate for things that I normally do. But anyway, thanks for watching the video. And if you do like these kind of videos, and if you like this video in particular, and if you like me at all, or maybe you don't, but you know, hey, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also check me out on Instagram, Twitter if you want to. I'm most active on Instagram. And here I'm going to try to have this video up today. And please like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.